Hello everyone. So today I'm going to start the second chapter of geography, that is your environment and environmental problems. So here you will learn about the meaning, firstly about the meaning of environment. Okay, and you'll know about the structure of the environment, and also the major problems of the environment, okay, that are faced nowadays, and how these problems can be solved. Okay, this is the main things that we will learn in this chapter. Now you see, in this environment, okay, it is very important, this concept, and that has been going on for a long time. Okay, now in every kind of your academic or any kind of administrative, commercial, and any kind of a political discussions, okay, the issues related to environment, it gains a very special place. Okay, in every discussion, this concept of environment and its related problems, okay, these are mainly discussed in every discussion, in every gathering. Okay, now this uh, chapter, okay, it has been also included in the education sector also. Okay, so that everybody can become aware of this environment, why it is so important, and why it is uh, disturbed. Okay, why these problems have been occurring in the environment, and how we can basically solve, or what are the measures we can take to solve these environmental problems. Okay, why it is necessary for a healthy environment. Okay, that is the main goal of every body. Okay, so why a healthy environment it is required. Yes, that is why basically this chapter have been included in your curriculum. Okay, so you see, firstly, the meaning of environment. Okay, the meaning of environment. So what is environment? You see, environment, the condition, okay, around an organism or the community of organism. That means the surrounding. Okay, the surrounding, that is the surrounding of us, around us, that is your basically environment. Okay, now it consists of basically biotic and abiotic elements. Okay, so biotic means your life, those elements which has a life. Yes, like your plants, okay, your animals. Yes, then your microbes in microorganisms which you cannot see through a naked eyes. Okay, so microbes to large mammals, human beings. Okay, so all these are called your biotic, that has a life. And abiotic elements mean that does not have a life, or lifeless elements. Okay, that like your land, water, air. Okay, all these are lifeless. So environment, it is the surrounding. Okay, so the surrounding of us, consisting of biotic and your abiotic elements. Okay, so that is basically environment in your broad sense, the condition. Okay, what is the condition around an organism or the community of organisms. Okay, and it is consist of various biotic elements, and also some your abiotic elements. Okay, some lifeless organisms are also there in our environment. Along with that, there are some organisms, elements which has a life also. Okay, so that is basically the meaning of environment. Now, the earth, okay, there are mainly four spheres of the earth. You see, first is a lithosphere, then is a hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Okay, so the environment, according to Peter Haggett, okay, he says that the environment is the interaction, okay, interaction of land, water, and life, air and life. Okay, he says that it is the interaction, interdependence, okay, interdependence of all this land, water, air, and life. Okay, that is according to him the definition of environment. Then you see lithosphere. Now what is basically lithosphere? You see, lithosphere, it is the land component of the earth. Okay, and it is composed of rocks. Okay, the spelling is wrong. Rocks, soils, minerals, etc. Okay, forms the lithosphere. So here you can see this picture, that is the picture of lithosphere. Okay, so this upper part, the earth crust, uh, that is composed of mainly rocks. Okay, that is soils and some kind of a minerals also, that is called your lithosphere. And upper, it covers mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, valleys, and coast. Okay, so the land component of the earth, it is called what? Your lithosphere. Then is a hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the water bodies. Okay, the water area. So mainly 71% of our earth, we know it is covered with water bodies. Okay, seas and oceans. okay, have formed the earth hydrosphere. Yes, so along with that, rivers, lakes, okay, and other water bodies, okay, they are also part of the hydrosphere. That is the second sphere of the earth. Okay, first is your lithosphere, then is your hydrosphere, the water surface, then is your atmosphere. So atmosphere means what? The envelope, okay, the layer of gaseous layer, okay, the gaseous layer of that is covers the earth, okay, like an envelope, that is called your atmosphere. Okay, so the see the gaseous layer that extends the earth's surface is the atmosphere. Okay, now atmosphere it composed of various kind of your gases, because it is a gaseous layer. Yes, so like your oxygen, nitrogen, okay, then hydrogen, carbon dioxide, okay, all these are basically composed, okay, in the atmosphere. Yes, now the atmosphere also has different layers. You see exosphere, then your thermosphere, mesosphere, then your stratosphere, then your next is your troposphere. Okay, so these are different layers of the atmosphere. Yes, then the last sphere is your biosphere. So biosphere is the where your life, all forms of life, it occurs. Okay, so here you see this is the biosphere, okay, and this is the atmosphere, hydrosphere, water bodies, and this is the land, that is the lithosphere. So as I have told that the environment is what it is the interaction among all these four spheres. Okay, so that is basically the environment. Okay, then it consists of the four spheres: atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and then is your biosphere. So this includes, you see, biosphere, it includes earth's surface, seas, oceans, and atmosphere where birds and insects fly. Then up till where your life, where actually all forms of life, okay, whether it is humans, whether it is aquatic animals, or whether it is any kind of birds, okay, wherever life exists, that is called basically your biosphere. Okay, so basically environment is the interaction, okay, the interaction of all the four spheres of the earth. Yes, so that is the first part. What is the meaning of environment, you go through, and what are different spheres of the earth.